Have you ever wondered what happens when a Sigma male's heart is shattered? Does he crumble under the weight of emotional ruin, or does he forge himself anew in the fires of adversity? Today we're diving into the 11 terrifying things Sigma males do after heartbreak, actions that redefine strength, resilience, and self-mastery. These aren't just coping mechanisms, they're declarations of independence that shake the world around them. Welcome to Sigma Male Community, where we uncover the raw, unfiltered truths of the male psyche. If you're a Sigma male or aspire to embody that lone wolf spirit, this video is your guide to understanding the power within. Let's dive in and explore the metamorphosis that makes Sigma males unstoppable. 1. The cold clockwork rebuild. Heartbreak doesn't break a Sigma male, it ignites a chilling metamorphosis. While others might drown in tears or seek solace in fleeting distractions, the Sigma male becomes a precision engineer of his own evolution. Picture him rising before dawn, his breath visible in the cold morning air, as he pushes through grueling workouts that sculpt both body and mind. He devours books, masters new skills, and optimizes his daily habits with the ruthlessness of a machine. This isn't about patching up wounds, it's a surgical recalibration of his entire being. Every pang of heartbreak is converted into fuel, driving him toward a quantum leap that leaves onlookers stunned. As Marcus Aurelius said, "Though you break your heart, men will go on as before." For the Sigma male, this indifference of the world is a challenge to rise above, to rebuild himself into something greater than before. This rebuild is not driven by spite or a need to prove others wrong, it's a deeply personal mission. The Sigma male understands that pain is a teacher, and he's an eager student. He crafts a cathedral of discipline, where every rep, every page read, every habit refined is a brick laid in the foundation of his new self. This process terrifies those who witness it because it reveals a truth they can't ignore. The Sigma male doesn't just recover, he evolves. His transformation is a silent rebuke to those who expected him to falter, a testament to his stoic resolve to control what lies within his power, his own growth. 2. The Ghost Protocol. When heartbreak strikes, the Sigma male doesn't linger in the spotlight of pity, he vanishes. Social media goes dark, group chats fall silent, and his presence becomes a whisper in the wind. This isn't a tantrum or a plea for attention. It's a strategic evaporation, a deliberate retreat into the shadows to process his pain. Like a submarine diving to the crushing depths of the ocean, he seeks solitude to decompress the emotional pressure that threatens to overwhelm him. Those left behind feel the vacuum of his absence, realizing too late the gravity of his inner world, a world they may have underestimated. As Seneca wisely noted, those whom true love has held, it will go on holding. For the Sigma male, that love is now redirected inward, toward healing and self-discovery. This ghosting is a masterclass in emotional control. The Sigma male knows that vulnerability in the wrong hands can be weaponized, so he chooses silence over exposure. In his absence, he rebuilds his mental fortress, reflecting on what went wrong and how to fortify himself against future pain. The silence screams louder than any rant, leaving others to grapple with the void he's left behind. This isn't about cutting ties forever. It's about creating space to emerge stronger, wiser, and untouchable. The Sigma male's disappearance is a promise to himself. He will return, but not as the man you once knew. 3. The Trust Nuclear Winter. Heartbreak transforms the Sigma male's trust into an Arctic fortress, impenetrable and cold. Where once there were open bridges to his heart, now stand drawbridges guarded by behavioral algorithms honed to detect the slightest betrayal. He becomes a master of reading micro-expressions, those fleeting glances or hesitations that reveal true intentions. He tracks patterns, noting deviations in behavior with the precision of a computer. Access to his inner circle now requires cryptographic proof of loyalty, a test few can pass. The terrifying part? Those who fail don't receive a rejection notice. They simply feel the glacial chill of permanent exile, left wondering what they did wrong. This isn't about being unfeeling, it's about survival through rational thinking. As Epictetus said, "Your master is he who controls that on which you have set your heart or wish to avoid." The Sigma male takes this to heart, ensuring no one else holds power over his emotions. He's not closing himself off from connection, he's redefining it on his terms. Trust, once freely given, is now a rare commodity, earned through consistent actions and unwavering loyalty. This nuclear winter of trust is a shield, protecting him from future heartbreak while allowing him to navigate the world with stoic clarity. 4. The Psychometric Observation. Emerging from his self-imposed isolation, the Sigma male returns as a human spectrometer, analyzing every interaction with scientific precision. Conversations become data harvests. Tone fluctuations, eye movements, and subtle shifts in body language are all logged in his mental database. This isn't paranoia, it's behavioral forensics, a methodical approach to understanding who can be trusted. He compiles dossiers on everyone's reliability index, recalculating their value in real time. Those who fall short don't face confrontation. They simply fade from his orbit, unaware they've been weighed and found wanting. As Marcus Aurelius advised, accept the things to which fate binds you, and love the people with whom fate brings you together, but do so with all your heart. The Sigma male loves, but only those who prove worthy. This psychometric observation is a testament to his stoic discipline. He doesn't let emotions cloud his judgment. Instead, he uses reason to navigate the social landscape. Every interaction is a stress test, revealing who aligns with his values and who doesn't. This process isn't about isolating himself. It's about curating a circle of trust that enhances his life. The Sigma male's ability to read people with such precision is terrifying because it's invisible. You'll never know you're being evaluated until you're either embraced or quietly dismissed. His clarity of thought ensures he surrounds himself only with those who match his standards. 5. The Black Box Reflection. In the solitude of his mental war room, the Sigma male conducts a forensic autopsy of the failed relationship. This isn't about dwelling on pain or pointing fingers. It's about extracting every ounce of wisdom from the wreckage. Journal entries become cognitive autopsies, dissecting questions like, where did trust systems fail? What emotional safeguards were bypassed? Each answer is a piece of armor-plated wisdom, forged in the crucible of heartbreak. Heartbreak. This process produces insights no therapist could replicate, as it's born from his own relentless self-examination. As Seneca said, he suffers more than necessary who suffers before it is necessary. The Sigma male refuses to suffer unnecessarily. He learns and moves forward. This black box reflection is a stoic exercise in self-mastery. By confronting his pain head-on, he transforms it into a roadmap for growth. He doesn't shy away from the hard truths about his own mistakes or vulnerabilities. Instead, he uses them to build a stronger foundation. The result is a man who emerges not just healed but fortified, ready to face the world with newfound clarity. This introspective rigor is what sets him apart. While others might repeat the same mistakes, the Sigma male ensures they become stepping stones to a better self. To you watching this, whether you're the storm or its witness, recognize this truth. What society calls cold is our survival supercooling. That distance you feel? It's the price of metamorphosis. Now, let's expose the final transformations that make Sigma males truly terrifying. 6. The Identity Overwrite. The Sigma male doesn't return from heartbreak as the same man. He reboots entirely. Old hobbies are discarded, his geography shifts, and his social circles are firewalled. This isn't running away, it's a conscious act of species evolution. The man you knew is digitally erased, replaced by a new version who speaks new languages both literally and psychologically. Former acquaintances experience the uncanny valley syndrome, recognizing his face but not the alien consciousness within. As Epictetus said, what you love has been given to you for the present, not that it should not be taken from you. The Sigma male embraces this impermanence, rewriting his identity to ensure he's never defined by his past. This overwrite is a bold declaration of independence. He doesn't cling to who he was, he creates who he will be. New skills, new environments, and new mindsets become his tools for reinvention. This transformation terrifies because it's so complete. There's no trace of the broken man left behind. The Sigma male's ability to shed his old self like a snake sheds its skin is a testament to his stoic resilience, a reminder that he is the architect of his own destiny, unbound by the expectations of others. 7. The Emotional Antimatter Conversion. Where others hemorrhage pain, the Sigma male's psyche operates like a particle collider, smashing negative emotions together to create pure drive. Jealousy becomes laser-focused ambition. Regret transmutes into ironclad discipline. This psychic alchemy defies emotional physics, turning devastation into energy that propels him forward. It's terrifying because it's unnatural. Most people drown in their sorrows, but the Sigma male thrives in them. As Marcus Aurelius said, the soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts. His thoughts are dyed with purpose, not pain, allowing him to rise above the emotional chaos. This conversion process is rooted in Stoic rationality. The Sigma male doesn't suppress his emotions. He redirects them, using them as raw material for growth. A broken heart becomes a forge, hammering out a stronger, more focused version of himself. Those who witness this transformation are left in awe, unable to comprehend how he turns loss into gain. This ability to alchemize pain into power is what makes the Sigma male a force of nature, unstoppable even in the face of heartbreak. 8. The stealth wealth accumulation. While others seek emotional solace, the Sigma male reroutes his energy into financial streams. Side hustles morph into empires, and investment portfolios bloom like rare desert flowers. This isn't about greed, it's about acquiring resource sovereignty, ensuring that future heartbreaks are mere operational hiccups. His financial independence becomes a shield, protecting his emotional core. As Seneca said, "It is not the man who has too little, but the man who craves more that is poor." The Sigma male craves control, not excess, building wealth as a means of self-reliance. This stealth accumulation is conducted with quiet precision. He doesn't flaunt his gains or seek validation through material displays. Instead, he builds economic shock absorbers that allow him to weather any storm. This financial fortress is a reflection of his stoic commitment to self-sufficiency, ensuring that no external force, be it heartbreak or hardship, can dictate his path. The world sees only the results, not the disciplined process behind them, making his success both mysterious and intimidating. 9. The Chronos Mastery. Heartbreak prompts the Sigma male to perform radical surgery on his relationship with time. Netflix binges are excised, unproductive relationships are cut, and he enters a state of temporal hyperfocus. His 24-hour days feel like 72-hour productivity zones, as he bends time to his will. Witnesses describe his output as near supernatural, as if he's hacked reality's firmware. This mastery is a direct application of Stoic principles, prioritizing what he can control, his actions and his time, over what he cannot. As Epictetus said, "We cannot choose our external circumstances, but we can always choose how we respond to them." This temporal discipline is what sets the Sigma male apart. While others waste hours mourning their losses, he invests every moment in his growth. He wakes earlier, works smarter, and eliminates distractions with ruthless efficiency. The result is a man who seems to accomplish the impossible, not because he's superhuman, but because he's mastered the art of focus. This ability to make time his ally is a terrifying reminder of his power to shape his own reality. 10. The vulnerability decoy system. The Sigma male deploys calculated openness, sharing harmless personal trivia like psychological chaff to distract from his true emotions. Meanwhile, genuine access to his heart requires solving ever-shifting Kobayashi Maru scenarios, tests designed to reveal character. The genius lies in their invisibility. Those being tested never realize they're under scrutiny, filtering themselves out through their own failures. This system protects his vulnerability while maintaining an approachable facade. As Seneca said, "The heart is great which shows moderation in the midst of prosperity." The Sigma male's moderation extends to his emotions, shared only with those who prove worthy. This decoy system is a stoic balance of openness and caution. He's not closed off, he's selective, using his interactions to gauge loyalty and integrity. Those who pass his tests gain a rare glimpse into his inner world, while others are gently deflected, unaware they've been excluded. This subtle art of emotional protection is terrifying because it's so effective. People feel close to him without ever truly knowing him, a testament to his mastery over his own vulnerability. 11. The event horizon boundary. Ultimately, the Sigma male creates a gravitational field of unreachability, an absolute boundary akin to a collapsed star. Communication enters this event horizon but receives no response, not out of pettiness, but because he's orbiting a higher plane of existence. This isn't hostility, it's the natural consequence of a consciousness that's transcended the need for external validation. As Epictetus said, "What you love has been given to you for the present, not that it should not be taken from you." The Sigma male embraces this impermanence, focusing on his own path rather than clinging to what's lost. This boundary is both terrifying and beautiful. It represents the ultimate expression of Stoic self-mastery, a man who needs no one but himself to thrive. Those who encounter this boundary sense its power, a silent reminder that the Sigma male is no longer bound by the same rules as others. He's not just surviving heartbreak, he's redefining what it means to live beyond it, a lone wolf whose strength lies in his independence. As we close this journey into the heart of the Sigma male after heartbreak, know this: these 11 transformations aren't just reactions, they're evolutions. They're the Sigma male's way of turning pain into power, adversity into advantage. If you're a Sigma male, take pride in your ability to rebuild, to ghost, to trust again on your own terms. If you're not, let these lessons inspire you to embrace your inner strength. Sigma male community is here to guide you on this path of growth, independence, and excellence. Don't let this wisdom pass you by. Hit that like button if this video resonated with you, drop a comment with your thoughts, and share it with others who need to hear this message. If you're already subscribed, make sure those notifications are on so you never miss our next video. If you're new, join the Sigma male community by subscribing now. Together, we'll continue to explore the Stoic path to personal greatness. Thank you for watching, and remember, in the face of heartbreak, the Sigma male doesn't just survive, he thrives. See you in the next video.